Abu Wail states, on the day of Siffin, Hazrat Sahal bin Hunayf radiyallahu anhu stood up and said, O people, declare yourself blameworthy, wrong. We were along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam on the day of Hudaybiyah, and if we had wished to fight, we would have fought. And it is about the peace accord between Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam and the polytheists. Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, aren't we right and they wrong? He sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam said, why not? He again submitted. Aren't our martyrs in paradise and they're deceased in hell? He sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam said, why not? He submitted. Then why should we remain suppressed in our religion and return empty-handed, whereas Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has not yet issued any decree between us and them? He sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam said, O Ibn Khattab, I am Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will never let me lose. Hearing it, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu went away, but he could not control his fury, and he went to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu and said, O Abu Bakr, aren't we right and they wrong? He said, why not? He again said, aren't our martyrs in paradise and they are deceased in hell? He said, why not? He said, then why should we accept disgrace in our religion, whereas Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has not yet issued any decree between us and them? Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, O Ibn Khattab, he sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam is Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will never keep him at losing end. Thereupon chapter Al-Fatah was revealed to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam then sent for Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu and made him read this chapter. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, is it a victory? He sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam said, yes. He then returned pleased. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4609.